Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by detecting and defining. Add the prefers color scheme media query so the browser picks dark when available. Next, set CSS variables, BG text muted, so you change theme in one place. Then add a visible toggle button and wire it to local storage. This ensures user choice overrides system settings. Once done, the structure is ready. You haven't restyled yet, but you've created the switching mechanism that makes the rest simple and consistent. You now implement the dark theme by overriding your CSS variables inside at Media, Prefers Color Scheme, Dark and A. Dark class so both auto and manual modes work. Update components, backgrounds, borders, images, and inline SVG fills so nothing pops with wrong contrast. Apply transitions for smoothness and audit color contrast to meet accessibility goals. Make sure to adjust focus outlines and hover states. Without that, keyboard users may lose context. Once done, user flows should remain clear in dark mode. You finish by persisting the preference and optionally syncing it server-side so logged users keep their choice. Make sure a graceful fallback exists if JavaScript is disabled. Rely on the media query and sensible defaults. Test across browsers and devices. Inconsistencies usually come from images or third-party widgets. If colors look off, swap to dark-friendly assets or selectively invert images with CSS filters. If a problem persists, check cached CSS and ensure the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.